Hi everyone, myself Devanko Das. This is a project of exploratory data analysis in terrorism. It's given by the Spark Foundation under internship program. Its difficulty level is intermediate, and I also provided all datasets in my GitHub profile. I used here programming language Python, and I used IDE Jupyter Notebook to analysis all data. Now started. Here I import NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn and Matplotlib. Import NumPy as NP, import Pandas as PD, import Seaborn as SNS, and import matplotlib.plyplot as PLT. Here we use data type warning and ignore. This is warning and here simplifier.ignore. Now df equal to pd.read underscore csv. Here I use dataset in terror1 name. That's why I enter terror1.csv, and encoding is ISO 8859-1. It's a 8-bit single byte dataset. Now we use df.head for output. Output is coming, and it is also 5 rows and 135 columns. Now can transpose the data to read conveniently. Now df.describe within bracket dot under transpose first bracket and within third bracket max. Now its output also came. This is the output, and now statistical details of the dataset. We use df.describe, and its output also came. This is the output. It has 8 rows and 77 columns. Now removing nan, we used new underscore df equal to df dot drop na within bracket axis equal to 1. Here drop nan value is column, that's why I used 1. Now new underscore df dot head, and now this is the output. It has also contains 5 columns and 29 rows. Now plot dot figure within bracket figure equal to, here I use 22.8 and DPI 200. It's also variable, it's time to time change. Now SNS dot histplot new underscore df x equal to country text, and this is the output count here. Now in order to get the readable and prices data, we'll sort according to number the terrorism accuracy of the country. Now we create group 1 equal to new underscore df. This is the ply plot. Here the output of my figure size, and it is very short in size, something not visible. Now occurrence the terror event in countries, country count head. It is group 1 data analysis, and it has 205 rows and 228 columns. Now the country values. Output is here is come the county underscore count dot head in 20 counties here. Now we can solve the dataset as a new file, that's file 1, that it is also CSV file, and I also import. Now most terror file CSV1, import a new file. We can save the sorted dataset as a new file, that's file 1. That's why I import the country underscore count dot 2 underscore csv as a file 1 dot csv, and import For import new file most error equal to pd.read underscore csv file1.csv. Here most underscore terror dot head to count the output of the country. That's the name of the 5 countries. Here we used only 5 countries. Rename the column most under terror dot rename column unnamed 0, that's why in place true. Most terror 1 equal to most underscore terror dot head. Here we use, here we see only 25 countries result. It's also variable, time to time it change, it now 15, 18, 20 and more than 25 it's also happening. This is the 0 to 24, that means 25 countries is here, that is the output. Now I plot a figure size here 10.10.4 and DPI 150. It's also variable, it's changed time to time. The plot dot scatter data equal to most terror 1 and x equal to country and y equal to terror count. A rotation 90 degree and x level shows country and y level shows number of terrorist activities. Plot dot title top 20 for hot zone. That's the title of the output is top 20 hot zone, and this is the output. This is the out zone. This is the title of top 20 hot zones, and here left side it shows that number of the terrorist activity, and here is the country list in here. This plot shows how many hot terrorism zones country wise and number of terrorist activity here. Now my task is completed. Thank you.